convert degree to radians,
let's identify the coordinates of trigonometry. Functions become undefined when everyone, this is Daily Trigo. This is your host, Juan Florendo. Now, welcome to our special talk show focusing on mastering trigonometry. Today, we have 5 brilliant minds to discuss and demonstrate the key of concepts outlined by our viewers. And here they are. Here are our guests. First one is Mr. Reggie Lab. Good morning, sir. Good morning. And next one is Sir Bert. Good morning, sir. And next is Sir Ian. Good morning, sir. And lastly is Sir John Patrick. Good morning. We'll start with our discussion. Let's start with the unit circle. Would someone define a unit circle for us?
The unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 centered at the region of coordinate plane.
Excellent. Now, let's identify the coordinates of trigonometric points of special angles on the unit. Would someone explain it?
for example, at 0 degrees or 0 radians, the point is the x is 1 and the y is 0. And 90 degrees or pi over 2 radians, its x is 0 and y is 1. And so on.
Perfect. Now, moving on what are the 6 trigonometric functions and their value limit based on their unit. Now, can someone answer it?
The sine, cosine, and tangent functions are primary. The limits of negative 1 to 1, the reciprocal function cosecant, secant, and cotangent have limits that are undefined when the sine, cosine, and tangent function equals 0.
Explanation. Now, let's move on to the next topic. So, let's move on and convert degree measure to radian and vice versa.
To convert degree to radians, multiply pi over 180. And to convert radians to degree, simply multiply 180 over pi.
Lastly, who can guide us through solving problems involving arc length and area of a circular section?
So, in arc length is the portion of the circumference corresponding to a central angle. While the area of a sector is a fraction of the circle's area defined by a central angle.
Brilliant. Now we already know the unit circle, the arc and sector, the radians of degree. Now let's move on to our hot question. It's the hot question. Okay, for hot question number 1, how do coordinates of points on the unit circle change as the angle increases or decreases? Okay,
The value of cosine and the y coordinate represent the value of sine. And as the angle increases or decreases, this coordinate changes accordingly.
outstanding. Now, hot question number 2. Explain why the limits of the reciprocal trigonometric functions become undefined when the sine, cosine, and tangent functions are equal to 0.
When the sine, cosine, or tangent is 0, the reciprocal function involves dividing by 0, which is undefined in mathematics.
Explanation. Now we all know all about the circle. That concludes our talk show and highlighting the mastery of trigonometry. Thank you all for your guesting here. Thank you. And that's all. A big thank you to our knowledgeable guests. And that's all for Daily Trigonometry.